Google Pixel 4a may launch with hole-punch camera and 3.5mm audio jack. Last year Google followed up its very expensive Pixel 3 lineup with the mid-range Pixel 3a and 3a XL. These phones came in at half the price of the Pixel 3/3 XL while still offering up most all of the high-end camera features. We all expect Google to continue to offer up a competitive mid-range phone in 2020 as the Pixel 4a and render details from 91 Mobiles and OnLeaks give us a glimpse of what we might expect in the first half of the year. OnLeaks has a solid track record of accuracy with his rumors, so these details are more than just pure speculation. Key differences between the current Pixel 4, see our full review, and Pixel 4a look to be a hole-punch camera similar to the Samsung Galaxy phones, single rear camera, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Given the mid-range processor and poor performance of the Pixel 4 battery, we certainly expect the Pixel 4a battery to be an improvement over the Pixel 4. The display is reportedly slightly larger, 5.7 or 5.8 inches instead of 5.6 inches. I also imagine a less expensive phone will come without the 90Hz display seen on the Pixel 4. The presence of Project Soli's face unlock technology remains to be seen, but the narrower bezels don't support the idea unless improvements have been made to the sensor size. There may also be a rear fingerprint scanner that precludes the need for face unlock technology. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.